What's going on, Rejuvenation? Johnny Bubbles.
And Vic Almighty.
Welcome to Hot Kicks and Hot Sauce, where we rock hot kicks and eat some of the hottest sauces. Today, we are outside of one of our favorite taco spots in Arizona, Taco Boys. Vic, you excited about it, bro?
Taco Boys is one of the best spots ever created, bro. So yeah, I'm excited.
Those Supreme Dunks looking nice on you. Kicksworld came in clutch. Why did you decide to go with those?
Let's take it back 20 years to the Dunk Highs. Supreme and Nike have some of the best collaborations ever. And this year they got 3 more lined up, high tops. So they're killing it still, and that's why I went with them, dude. And the blue just really screamed at me.
All right, man. Well, let's get out of this heat and eat some tacos. Let's get it. Cheers, man. Let's see. Let's get it. Yes, sir.
Yo, Johnny, Kicksworld orders in, bro. Let's check them out.
Yo, say less, bro. I've been waiting on these.
Me too, bro.
Woo.
Top ones are yours, bottom ones are mine.
All right, what'd you end up getting?
Supreme Dunk Lows and Fear God ones, man.
What colorway on the Dunks?
Blue and then black. What about you?
That's a nice pickup. I ended up going with the Yeezy Knit Runner because I haven't worn these, and a New Balance 550 because they're kind of hype right now. You know what I mean?
Both good shoes.
So let's check them out. I want to see this sulfur colorway.
Solid. I haven't seen the blues in person. These are pretty dope.
This is a weird shoe. Feel that toe box. It feels like a Timberland boot, bro. Yeah. Yo, but these came just in time for lunch, bro. Where are we eating today?
Bro, you already know.
Where's that?
Taco Boys.
Woo, that's our spot. Let's hit it, baby. Yes, sir.
Throw these on.
Can't wait to rock these. What's going on, Rejuvenation? Johnny Bubbles.
And Vic Almighty.
Welcome to Hot Kicks and Hot Sauce, where we rock hot kicks and eat some of the hottest sauces. Today, we are outside of one of our favorite taco spots in Arizona, Taco Boys. Vic, you excited about it, bro?
Taco Boys is one of the best spots ever created, bro. So yeah, I'm excited.
All right, man. Well, let's get out of this heat and eat some tacos. Let's get
go.
it.
All right, bro. Food is ordered. Let's eat, man.
Bro, I'm excited. I can't wait for the food to come out, bro. But I need to tell you, those Supreme Dunks looking nice on you.
I know, bro. You keep on looking at them.
Yeah, Kicksworld came in clutch. Why did you decide to go with those?
Well, honestly, man, Supreme and Nike have some of the best collaborations ever. Let's take it back 20 years to the Dunk Highs. The red ones, the orange ones, the blue ones. It's basically the same shoe, but in a high top version. Those right there, 6 shoes, good quality.
Yeah.
We also have the elephant print ones, the black cement ones, the red ones that they dropped a few years ago, the white ones, dope shoes. Now they brought them back this year, last year actually, 2021, to release the blue version, the green version, the black version, and the browns. And this year they got 3 more lined up, high tops. So they're killing it still, and that's why I went with them, dude. And the blue just really screamed at me.
Yeah, that blue pops crazy with the hint of gold and the white and the gold stars on the side, bro. It's just beautiful.
The Supreme bar on the shoelace.
The Supreme bar.
I'm stealing those.
Yo,
Kicks, I'm stealing those.
Don't tell Kicksworld that, because they might charge us for that. But yeah, man, I decided to go with the Yeezy Knit Runner. You know, last year when we first got look of it, it looked like a crazy shoe, right? Futuristic, Kanye West, full effect. Looked weird, right? It looked like a banana. There was a lot of hate on it, but surprisingly enough, it still sold out. You already know.
Yeah, I remember, man. I rember when they first got announced in the comment section, ugly, ugly, these are whack, but they still sold out.
Yeah, which is crazy. And then now they're like reselling for upwards of $700.
How do you feel about them, man? Like now that they're on your feet.
I want to see, the comfort-wise, they are comfortable, right? Not boost material comfortable, but they are comfortable. However, I would say you probably want to go up half a size to a full size. They are a little tight. The size 11 is just kind of snug. I think it's that forefront that's like
steel toe?
Steel toe. The flat steel toe is very tight on my foot. But overall, I'm not a fan of this colorway. However, if they come out in different colorways, I would rock the shoe.
What colorway would you like to see in these?
Obviously a black and red, right? A black and white.
Red bottoms.
Red bottom would be so sick for sure, man. That's definitely the route that if they were to release more Yeezy Knit Runners, it would be more of those black and, you know, mixed with the colors.
Those are your colors.
Those are my colors. You can't go wrong with the black and gold either. You know, OVO status, that's my thing. So throw it on the shoe.
I like it, man.
Right?
Fam, the food is here.
Let's get it.
We got carne asada tacos on flour, cheese. We got some tripa over here, and some beans, bro.
Yeah, I'm excited for it, bro. So what's your strategy gonna be going at this?
Bro, I'm just gonna eat the carne asada, eat some tripa, and mix with some beans in there as well, and put everything you see right here on my tacos.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take it slow. I'm gonna do it first with the green salsa, one taco with the red sauce. I'll do the mixture, the Vic mix, as we like to call it. We do both of them mix, and then I'll do one with all 3, and we'll see how it goes, man.
All right, bro, let's go
I'm
in.
ready for it. Let's get it. Cheers, man. Let's see it. Let's get it. That's how good it is. All right, Vic, first impressions, where we at?
Freaking 10, bro. You did not see my face.
Oh my God, yeah.
That was a 10.
It's so crazy, man. It's crazy to think that they just started off back in 2018, you know, cooking outside of a liquor store on 35th Avenue out here in Phoenix, right? Mind you, they've been cooking tacos for years, for about 15 years experience, but they just started Taco Boys in 2018. So 2 years later, they got this location here off of 7th Street and Roosevelt. They opened up a new location in Tempe just a few months ago, and I heard they're opening up 2 new locations, which is crazy, bro. I love seeing the success.
Pretty soon, bro, they're gonna be everywhere. Just watch. This place is always popping every single day. Every single time you came to lunch, it's always a big line.
I mean, we were here at 10 in the morning when they opened, and there was already a line out the door.
That's right.
So it's crazy.
If you guys are ever in Arizona, Taco Boys is the place to go.
That's it. So we're actually gonna finish out our food here, and then we'll give you our final review on every single hot sauce at the end. Stay tuned.
Damn, so good, bro. Meat is always bomb, man. All the fresh ingredients, the beans, on point.
Yes, sir.
But you know why we're here, bro. Let's talk about the salsa. What you think about the green?
So the green sauce for me is really delicious, bro. Not spicy at all, but really flavorful. You already know I don't like the spice, right? My tongue just every time it burns, it's not for me, man. But the green sauce is perfect, very flavorful. As you seen, I went in for a second dunk.
I saw that.
It was amazing, bro. What was your thoughts on the red?
Overall, man, it's good. But my thing is, I like it spicy, you know? It's all very flavorful. The green, the guac, the darker red. But I wish it was spicier.
Got it.
It needs a little more spicy, but overall, it's good.
Yes, sir.
My God, bro, that was so bomb.
Never disappoints.
I had about 6 or 7 tacos. I tried squeezing in one more, couldn't make it happen, bro.
Yeah.
So what you think about the tacos?
Tacos, 10 out of 10. Mild sauce, not spicy at all, very flavorful, also 10 out of 10. Now, I heard what you said in there, the red sauce wasn't that spicy. I gotta agree. On the spice level, it's probably about a 5. Flavor, 10 out of 10. Overall, amazing place. Taco Boys never disappoints. What about you?
I agree with you, bro. This place is my favorite, man. Straight up, 10 out of 10. The food itself is so bomb. The ingredients, all the limes, different onions, 4 different salsas. I love it, bro. But like I mentioned, and you mentioned as well, I wish the red would have been spicier, but still bomb, man. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was delicious. But let us know in the comment section below, guys. What did you guys think about our kicks? Were they hot or were they not? Also, let us know where we can possibly eat some hot sauce in your area, and maybe you'll catch us there soon, right?
That's right, man.
But if you guys like today's video, hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles.
And I'm Vic Almighty.
And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.